Hey guys, welcome back. This is Cricket with another haul. This one is for my April sub box from DEK Designs. If you have not already signed up for them, please do so. You're getting ready to see all the goodies that I have, and I will also have a link down below of the other two sub boxes so that you can get an idea of what all kinds of stuff that they do have in each box. You're not going to want to miss these, and they are phenomenal. You get tons of stuff, and it's just absolutely beautiful. So let's get started. First, you get the box in the mail, and it has this beautiful sticker on top. I mean, gorgeous. And if you sign up for them, I'm going to real quick, you'll get digital files, and they'll link them in your email. So with all papers, clip art, and a few extra surprises. Love, Dawn, Emily, and Katie. So definitely want to subscribe to you, and I'll have the dates of when you can subscribe from, because there's a cutoff date as well. All right, so first of all, they always give you a little yummy, and this one is the circus animal cookie. So these are awesome, and I will be definitely giving those to my granddaughter if my 14-year-old doesn't get them first. Confetti, of course, you get that. Then look at this, y'all. I'm so excited. They got new pins in the shop. This is the pin that you get. Let you see the pin. Isn't that cute? Look there. And then you also get this beautiful pink laced bow. So they give you both of those. So they are awesome, y'all. They're so awesome. I'm going to keep it out so you can look. Then you get this pad of paper, and look, every single one of them is different. This one's spring, and then that color, that one, and then it goes back to that one again. So you get a pad of paper, tons, beautiful. And then here is your, I'm not going to take, well, I'll take them out. I thought it's just one. But here is some large stickers, very cute, with trash can, cupcake, popcorn, I think, money, bags, weekend banners, laundry, weather, work, adorable. And then on the other side, it's the clipboards with your bow check boxes. And then I always say they're cloud on this when they look like this, half cloud boxes or doily boxes. Aren't those beautiful? Adorable. Here is the monthly kit. And this one's for April, of course. So there is your April. And this one's for the Erin Condren. And then your corner boxes, scallop boxes. And these are separate, guys, just to let you know. So here's your month, and then here's your days of the week. So they're separate. I like how that works. Then here's your sidebar, some flags, paydays, Amazon, eBay, money, groceries, full boxes. And then here's some more full boxes, and then some quarter boxes, some beautiful deco, functionals all the way across. They give you a ton in these kits. So it's a 3-page monthly kit. And then you get, let's go through them. Here it says spring, bird with book and flowers, and the book down at the bottom says gardening and welcome spring. Well, let me get you in view here, sorry. A banner, flowers, cat, and these are stickers. I thought these were all die cuts, y'all. I am such a fool. These are stickers. Hello, fun stuff. Here we go. Cat, flower, basket. Ooh, a beautiful butterfly. Cake. Pretty spring dress. Bowls on top of each other. And then the large thing of flowers with water. That is amazing. I love that these are stickers, guys. I'm actually going to put these back in there just so I don't lose any of these. I'm going to make sure I don't lose any of these. A washi strip, or a washi, and it has rose gold hearts. Look at that, that's beautiful. On white. And then here's the kit. Wow, I'm excited. I haven't even opened the kit yet. This is awesome. Look. Look at this kit, guys. Look how beautiful. There are your full boxes, some quarter boxes. And see, they don't sell these in the shop. You only get these for the kit. Then here are some full boxes and quarter boxes. Full bow check boxes, half your bow flags and bows down here. Quarter boxes, half boxes, habit trackers, and appointment boxes with your dots. Oh, look at this. Your day covers in the rose gold, and then your butterfly covered washi and washi strips. Your headers with to do today, littles, workout, family time, spending, to go, errands, to buy. Your food trackers, your asterisks. Your large flags, look at those. Your functional hearts, your laundry, bed, mail, movie. And then your washi strips in the rose gold as well. Your half doily, your working girl work, appointment boxes. And then this beautiful deco that matches the stickers. Look at that with your weekend banner. Beautiful, guys. So beautiful. And then the papers you get. Let me get it out. I don't want to ruin my papers, y'all. My nails are not being kind to me. All right, here is, let's move this so you can actually see. There's this one. With this on the other side, so they're double. There's our acetate. Isn't that pretty? Look at the detail on it. Acetate, by the way, guys, I'm sorry. This one, love that. And that. And this beautiful yellow one, look at here. And then that one. So guys, that's what you get in a kit, in a sub box. I mean, that is crazy love right there. I'm just going to put that right there. And then your kit. I mean, look at this. All of this gorgeousness. I can't even, there's so much of it, I can't even put it all out at once, it looks like. I mean, this is a ton of stuff, guys. Definitely want to check them out. Don't miss out on this, okay? And you can actually use my name and get a freebie as well. You can't use my code for the sub box, but you can use my code for everything else, and it's Cricket20. So definitely go check them out. This stuff is gorgeous. You're not going to want to miss out on these subs. Like I said, you can't get these kits but in these boxes. So, all right, I hope that you liked this video. If you did, please give me a thumbs up. Subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Check out PlannerNina_Cricket on Facebook and on Instagram, and add yourself to it so that you know when these sales are going on. Hit the bell so it'll draw your attention to it. And I hope to see you back here real soon. I will talk with you later. Bye-bye.